In today's video, I'm going to teach you how customers can apply a discount code at checkout in Shopify, and how you can create these discount codes through the Shopify admin. Let's start with what a customer needs to do when they are making a purchase and have a discount code on hand. Picture yourself shopping on a Shopify store. You've added all the items you want to your cart, and now it's time to check out. Once you're on the checkout page, take a good look around. You'll notice a field labeled something like discount code, or perhaps promo code. This is the area where you can enter your discount code. Just type it in carefully, since even a small typo could result in the discount not being applied. After entering the code, you'll need to hit Apply or a similar button next to it. This is an important step because it ensures that the order total updates correctly to reflect the discount you've just applied. If everything checks out, you'll see the total amount decrease accordingly. Now, sometimes customers might not see the discount code field at all. If this happens, it's often because there are no active discount codes generated in the store's Shopify admin. When that's the case, Shopify might actually hide the field entirely. Now, let's delve into how you, as a store owner or admin, can create these discount codes to make them available for your customers. First, head over to your Shopify admin. From there, navigate to the Discounts section. Once you're there, look for an option that says Create Discount, or perhaps plus Create Discount Code. This is where you'll start crafting your discount strategy. Next, it's time to decide on the type of discount you want to offer. Shopify provides several options, such as a fixed amount off the purchase, a percentage off, free shipping, or even buy X get Y free, if that's supported in your setup. After choosing the type, you can set more specific conditions. Decide which products or collections the discount will apply to, or if it'll cover every product. Additionally, you can set a minimum purchase amount if you like, which means customers need to reach a certain spending threshold before the discount kicks in. It's also crucial to define the start and end dates for when the discount will be active. Maybe you're planning a special weekend sale. Think about usage limits as well. Perhaps you want to control how many times the discount code can be used in total or cap the number of times a single customer can use it. Once you've settled on all these settings, it's time to save your new discount code. And there you have it. With these steps, both customers and store owners can sail through the discount code process effortlessly. Whether you're shopping or setting up promotions, knowing how to apply and create discount codes in Shopify is a valuable skill.